So I recently moved this domain luxverio.tech across to my Nginx VPS server that I run on Vultr. I run a number of other sites on there. I did try run luxverio.tech domain on shared hosting, but ended up just being disappointed with that whole setup. So fairly relatively straightforward, just to add this to the sites that are already on that server and just benefit from all the setup that was done before. Now it's quite difficult already a minute into this. It's very difficult to show what that all looks like because it's all done in the terminal. But the point of this video is that if you haven't tried WordPress hosting on your own server, on Nginx, on VPS provided like a company, Vultr, then one of the ways that you can go about getting it set up is to go through this course from Andrew Eaton. Now you can see I purchased this a couple of years ago, which is how long I've been running that server. It's not for everyone. It is a fairly challenging setup, but as you can see, this course has a 4.8 or a 5-star rating, to be honest. Over 2,000 students who have taken the course. And I can say without a shadow of a doubt that if you just follow step by step in this course, through the modules, through each of the very detailed tutorials here, you'll be able to set up your own Nginx server. As he rightly points out, it just gives you the benefit of having a hardened and optimized, dedicated WordPress server. If you're hosting your own WordPress sites, it's worth going through a course like this, even if it takes you a month to do it, to understand what really goes into securing WordPress sites. Because, of course, there's lots of people with opinions and people get upset with WordPress because it is quite easy to, just by the mere scale of what's out there in terms of number of sites, people are adding in unsecured plugins, not updating WordPress sites. They don't set it up properly, even on shared hosting, and then run into all sorts of problems and blame WordPress. So going through a course like this, you get a clear understanding of kind of what goes into to really set up a server that can run WordPress as efficiently as possible. Go check that out. You can go to Udemy and just search for Andrew Eaton. He's got other courses that relate to backups for WordPress and other ways to speed WordPress up. So hopefully that's helpful, and see you in the next video.